Hey everyone, it's Lexus. Welcome back to my channel. This is Nam Nam to Fitness. If you're new here, then welcome. Glad to have new people here. Today is going to be like a what I eat in a day, what I do today type video. I went to this vegan buffet in Houston yesterday called the Pepper Tree. Oh my god, the food was so good. I went with my sister and it was my second time going there. So if you're ever in the Houston area, check it out. I'm going to insert some clips so you guys can see how good the food looked. So this is what the food looked like. There was much more, but this is what I could fit on my plate. These things right here, I don't know what they were, but they were so good. My camera gets a little foggy right here, but these are the orange chicken strips, and they were so delicious. And these are like some ricotta stuffed pasta. They were also good. And the coconut cake, don't get me started. These are like these sesame balls, and it has a bean mixture inside with chocolate drizzle. So those are popular, but the coconut cake is the winner. That was the best thing. And those little pink things are Jell-O. So if you're ever in the Houston area, then check out the Pepper Tree. You won't be disappointed. So for breakfast, I had a chocolate peanut butter shake. I put 1.5 frozen banana, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, some almond milk, and 4 ice cubes. And I just blended it all up. For lunch, I had a bean quesadilla and fries. I'm just adding some garlic powder, some black pepper, sea salt, smoked paprika, a little bit of canola oil, and I'm going to bake it at 425 for about 20 to 25 minutes. Here I drained and rinsed a can of black beans. I'm adding some dehydrated onions, about a tablespoon. I'm adding a little bit of cayenne pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon, some black pepper, and some garlic powder. Now I'm just going to cover it with water until everything gets submerged, and then I'm going to cook it at medium heat until all the water is absorbed. And don't worry about covering it. It's actually best to leave the lid off. Now I'm going to assemble my quesadilla. I have a corn tortilla here, and I'm placing the beans and some vegan mozzarella cheese along with some vegan cheddar cheese. This is a mixture of Trader Joe's and Diet cheese. And they also added some sriracha, of course. For dinner, I had some General Toast chicken, so I'm using this vegan seitan chicken that I got from my local Asian market. I sauteed some yellow onions, and now I'm just adding this to the pan. I seasoned it with black pepper and garlic powder. To cook down a little bit, I added some minced garlic, about 3 to 4 cloves. Now I'm adding some potatoes to the pan. As you can see, I love potatoes. Who doesn't? Now I'm drizzling some General Toast sauce that I got from Kroger's. And this is sweet chili sauce. So that is everything that I ate today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.